In the US alone, each year we waste over $100 billion in construction due to changes, errors, and omissions. mbue is an AI application that instantly reviews and identifies issues in construction documents, in architectural drawings. A note, change, or a schedule that has been modified, we're able to capture to a character level precision what has changed. As a licensed architect, I spent countless hours and late nights reviewing thousands of drawings. Still today, with all this technology, quality control heavily relies on human review. So I wanted to automate that and be able to create an AI to streamline the most tedious manual workflow so, architects, engineers, and contractors can save time, money, and reduce their liability. In architecture, engineering, and construction, there's so much work that is repetitive that should be automated with AI. I always felt like architects and builders should be spending more time solving design and construction problems than hunting for information or hidden changes on drawings. The goal should not be remove them from the process. It should be empowering people to do their most impactful work with better information and fewer errors. We work in silos almostly, and all the information is really fragmented. You have information on drawings and specifications, in RFIs, in emails. I really hope that AI automates all these tedious manual workflows, be able to ingest all this information to have a much deeper understanding of the project. So we will be able to, hopefully in the near future, generate flawless architecture. I honestly don't know anyone in my network that hasn't used Bluebeam. So the opportunity to take what we have built in mbue and be able to, integrate it in a much larger ecosystem and reach millions of people worldwide, it's super exciting. We're joining a team that understands deeply the industry and cares deeply about the customer like we do, and has the scale and the resources to, bring all our ideas into real workflows. I think mbue brings two things that are critical. Not only deep industry expertise, but also a technology that we've been developed for a couple of years that could enrich significantly some of the already existing products in Bluebeam and can supercharge them. So we see an opportunity of building a larger intelligence layer on the projects for everyone, every user in Bluebeam.